In this video, we're going to walk you through how to install a Link 650 series height control valve on a cab suspension. This instruction is intended solely for use with this product. Before beginning, ensure that the truck is on flat ground and apply the parking brake. Make sure to chock the wheels and follow all proper safety and maintenance procedures. Assemble your tools and keep the instructions to refer to during this replacement. To determine the correct mounting orientation, hold the 650 series valve next to the height control valve that is to be replaced. Compare those locations to the ports on the 650 valve to ensure proper mounting configuration. Disconnect and remove the current valve. As you disconnect the supply and suspension air lines, identify them using tape or anything convenient. Measure the length of the lever installed on the old mechanical height control valve. Now measure the selected lever to make sure it matches the needed length. Refer to the instructions to determine which of the supplied levers you will need to use. Next, align the dimple on the spindle in between the fill and exhaust arrows on either side to find the neutral or zero position before installing. Attach the valve to the mounting bracket and tighten fasteners to the specified installation instruction torque values. Reconnect the supply and suspension air lines to the valve using the push-to-connect fittings. Next, measure the length of the linkage installed on the old mechanical height control valve. If you are reusing the existing linkage, verify the linkage is not damaged and the distance is within the specified vehicle manufacturer instructions. If you are replacing the linkage with a Link 300 series linkage, remove the existing linkage and adjust the length of the new valve linkage by rotating the middle section. One click or quarter turn changes the length by 1 millimeter. Once the proper length is established, reconnect the linkage to the height control lever and linkage bracket. To verify proper valve operations, turn the key to crank position to start the engine. Verify that the truck reservoir air pressure has a minimum of 90 psi. Measure the ride height with the valve in the neutral position and verify the linkage is set at the proper ride height. If the distance is within the specified vehicle manufacturer instructions, the linkage is installed correctly. If not, adjust the linkage length till proper cab ride height is achieved. To test if the valve is functioning properly, rotate the lever up 30 degrees as indicated on the side of the valve. Rotate the lever to the neutral position. Airflow should stop. Rotate the lever down 30 degrees. Air should begin to exhaust from the air springs. This completes the installation of the 650 series height control valve for cab suspensions. For more information, refer to the written manual by your vehicle's manufacturer or contact Link Manufacturing.